In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you everything you need to know about this particular campaign where MEXC is currently giving out free USDT airdrop to their users, and I'll be explaining to you everything you need to know about this campaign. Now, in case you don't have a MEXC account, the first thing you want to do so that you can be eligible for this airdrop is to click the first link in the description of this video, or you click the first link in the pinned comment of this video to create an account on MEXC. So go ahead and do that right now. Now, once you've created an account with the first link in the description below, the next thing you want to do is to click on the second link in the description of this video, and then it will bring you right here to this page. Now, once you get to this page showing on your screen right now, make sure you follow everything I'm about to explain to you so that you can be eligible and win part of this airdrop from MEXC. Now, as you can see on the screen right here, it says on-chain bounty total position airdrop price pool, which is 50 million USDT, and the airdrop ends in 22 days, 22 hours, 0 minutes, film, and some seconds. So it means that it is ending in about 22 days, and that's just a little bit more than 3 weeks. So it means that you have 3 weeks to be able to participate in this airdrop and win something for yourself. Now, what is the step-by-step guide to be able to win part of this airdrop? Now, you can see right here, the main thing or the first thing you are supposed to do is to come here and enter your wallet address to check the eligibility of your wallet address. So what you just need to do is you just go to your account and copy your USDT wallet address and come here and paste it. So it can be any USDT wallet address, it can be maybe TRC20 network, Binance Smart Chain network, BP20, any network you want to use at all, you can just put it right here. So just come here and put your wallet address, your USDT wallet address. So once you put in your USDT wallet address, you come here and click on view details, and if you are eligible for this airdrop, it will take you to the next step, and if you are not eligible for this airdrop, it will also show you. So make sure that you go ahead and copy your wallet address and come right here. Now, before I go ahead and put in my wallet address, let me just show you something. Now, you can see right here where it says FAQs, and you can see the first one, it says which wallet addresses qualify for this airdrop. Now, let me click on it and let's check. So you can see it says this event is designed for wallets that show a certain level of on-chain activity or asset holdings on major blockchains like Solana, Ethereum, or Binance Smart Chain. Eligibility is determined by multiple factors, and to check if your wallet qualifies, simply enter your address on this page. So what they are trying to tell you is that your wallet must have done some certain activities or maybe asset holdings. That means that you must have some sort of USDT in your wallet already, or you must have done some on-chain activity, maybe like trading, buying, selling, all of those things with that wallet address. That's basically what I'm telling you. And the only way for you to confirm if you're eligible is to come here and paste your wallet address. Don't forget. Now, the second thing right here says, I'm eligible. How do I claim my rewards? So let's check it. So you can see right here, it says just complete these 2 steps during the event. Number 1, it says sign up for a new MEXC account. So that's the first thing I mentioned at the beginning of this video. If you don't have a MEXC account already, use the first link in the description of this video or the link in the pinned comment of this video. Now, you can see the next thing it says deposit $100 or more from your eligible wallet and verify your wallet address. So it will ask you to deposit at least $100. So you need to deposit minimum of $100. Now, this $100 you are depositing, it is still your money. So if you want to withdraw it anytime, you can still do that. So it's not as if they are taking the money away from you. No, they are not taking it from you. It is still your money. And you can see right here, it says your airdrop will be credited automatically once both steps are complete. So you can see these are just the 2 things you need to do. Once you create a MEXC account and you deposit at least $100, your airdrop will be credited automatically once you complete these 2 steps. And then here it says note that each on-chain wallet address can only be linked to one MEXC account, and each account can claim the reward once. So it means that you cannot use your account to claim the reward twice. You can only do it once and claim your reward once. That's the meaning. And then right here, the third FAQ says, what is the futures position airdrop? Are there other types of airdrop rewards? Now, right here, you can see it says the futures position airdrop awards bonus positions that can only be used to trade futures or stock futures contracts on MEXC. So basically what it's saying is that they're also going to give you futures position airdrop. That is, they'll give you an amount of money like airdrop or that you can use to do futures trading. Now, when you use that airdrop to do futures trading, you can withdraw any profit you make from that trade. So maybe if they give you, let's say $500 or $1,000 position airdrop, if you make maybe $200 on that $1,000, you can withdraw the $200 for yourself. I hope you understand. Now you can see right here, it also says, the last one says, where can I find detailed event rules and FAQs? And then it says, for detailed event rules and FAQs, please refer to this link right here. So you can just click on this link if you want to know more event rules and FAQs right here. But these are the main things you need to know about this event. So now that you've seen that, let's say you want to go ahead and put your wallet address right here. So you just put it right here, paste it right here, and click on view details. Now, once you input it and it says you are eligible, you will see this right here on your screen where it says, congrats, you've outperformed 75% of users. You can claim a position airdrop of 27,039 USDT. So that means that you can claim up to that amount. That's the maximum amount you can claim. So it can start from any amount, but the highest you can claim is 27,039 USDT. And you can see right here, it says new users who complete a single deposit of more than $100 after signing up can claim an airdrop reward. So don't forget, I mentioned that earlier, that you must deposit at least $100. Now, once you've done that, the next thing is to go ahead and click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, it will bring you to this page right here where you can be able to create an account or login. So if you have created your own account before, just click on already have an account, login now. Where you have that login now, just click on it and you can go ahead and enter your email address and your password. But if you have not created an account before, just make sure you go ahead, enter your email address right here, enter your password, and enter the referral code showing on your screen right here. So this referral code showing on your screen, just go ahead and enter it. Now, once you enter it, you'll be seeing that it says you can earn up to 20 USDT. So you can see at the right side, it says up to 20 USDT. So once you create your account, they are giving you just 20 USDT straight away like that. Now, once you've done that, the next thing is to go ahead and make a single deposit of $100 and complete address verification to unlock your airdrop reward. So to do that, just go ahead and click on make a deposit. So you can see where it says make a deposit. Click on it. So once you click on make a deposit, it will bring you to this page right here where you can enter the crypto you want to deposit, which is USDT, and then you enter the network and then it will show you the wallet address. So once you get your wallet address, you can go to wherever you want to deposit from. Maybe if you have crypto on another app, or maybe you have USDT on another app, you can actually now transfer or withdraw it from that other app and deposit it into this wallet address right here. It's as simple as that. So once you've deposited the $100, it will show you under review right here. So you can see where it says under review. That means that they are doing like a risk control review to see that, okay, maybe it is true that you've not applied for this airdrop earlier before, or maybe they will review if maybe the same person is using another account. So they just review all of these things to make sure that you are not trying to do any fraudulent thing or trying to, claim the reward twice or more than once. I hope you understand. So once they approve it, you can now get your futures bonus position reward or your airdrop, and then you can now use it anyhow you want. So that's basically how to get this position airdrop from MEXC. And don't forget, it ends in about 3 weeks. That's 21 days or 22 days. So make sure that you go ahead and do this. Create an account using the first link in the description below and go ahead and follow everything I've explained in this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. And if you want me to make any video about MEXC, let me also know in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.